you doing? My name is Alexandra, Agnes, Nonita. I'm from 10 Science 2 and my absent is number 5. Today I will be storytelling. Most of us remember and cherish Cinderella as our most favorite character for a decade. There are many fabulous and cherishing fairy tales featuring beautiful characters. There are many unforgettable and cherishing characters live forever in everyone's heart. One such beautiful and attractive girl is Princess Rose. Princess Rose and the Golden Bird is one of the unforgettable fairy tales. The tale of Princess Rose is here. Once upon a time there lived a beautiful princess named Rose. She had long, wavy, and shiny golden red hair. She was named perfectly as she loved and adored the roses. She had one glowing golden bird that would visit her in the evenings. Princess Rose and the Golden Bird will sing mesmerizing song, where all people in the kingdom will peacefully sleep with sweet dreams. The bird will begin making sounds while seeing the beautiful hair of the princess, and she will join with the bird. Both of them used to sing lullaby to make people sleep, and keep singing till sunrise. While people lived peacefully, a wicked witch came to know about the golden bird and the hair color of the Princess Rose. She then cursed the princess and her hair turned ugly black. As usual, the bird started singing, seeing the black hair of the princess, and she continued. While people fell asleep, none of them had sweet dreams. Rather, they were fearful and terrible. Princess Rose heard about the nightmare dreams and was so worried. She then asked the bird what she should do to turn her hair red. The bird asked her to dip her hair in rose water, and she did. Surprisingly, her hair turned beautiful red with the usual glow. Undoubtedly, everyone fell asleep hearing the lullaby and had sweet dreams. Knowing this, the wicked witch cursed again and now removed all the rose flowers and petals from the kingdom. So, did you guys like it? I hope you guys did. And thank you so much for paying attention. Thank you so much for hearing the story as well. That's all that I can give. Thank you so much. I'm sorry if there's any mistakes. Thank you once again.